Hey friends, this is Atif here. Well, and welcome to the new update on Aavegotchi. As in my earlier videos, I was showing you that Aavegotchi has formed a very big and long-term falling wedge pattern on the 7 days time frame chart, and this was one of those videos. And now, if you take a look at the live 7 days time frame chart, then you can see that finally, after getting squeezed inside this wedge, GHST broke out this falling wedge pattern. Then we had a very massive pump, and the target, by the way, for this breakout from this falling wedge pattern that I was showing you in these videos was here at the top of the wedge, approximately at $3.40, and you can see that the price and rallied beyond that target up to $3.86.7. If I place this measurement tool from this low to here, then you can see that it falls more than 495%, almost 500% pump. And after getting rejected by this resistance of $3.40, that was, by the way, the rejection point working here in the month of November 2021. And again, it worked at a very strong rejection point here. And the pricing got stuck inside this recent falling wedge pattern. And from the month of April up till now, it was moving inside this wedge. And now recently, we have broken out this next falling wedge pattern as well. And in today's video, we will analyze this next breakout. And I would also like to share with you my most recent trade signal for Aavegotchi that I shared a few days ago on 18th of September 2024 with my members. And this signal produced a very massive pump of 62%. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And then for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I have shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I will also share the link for the trading signal report for the current month of September 2024 in the video's description. You can also visit that report as well. Now let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for Aavegotchi that I shared on 18th of September 2024 with my members. And that was a harmonic bullish reversal shark move that Aavegotchi formed on the daily time frame chart with US dollar pair. And this was the complete trade signal. The buying zone and the sell target zone, and below 78.6 cents was the stop loss. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that after that GHST pumped very well and rallied beyond the sell target zone. And so far it has rallied more than 62%. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis. And I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description you can find. Now let me take you to the live chart of Aavegotchi, and this is the weekly time frame chart. And here you can see that for the past several weeks since after the month of April 2024, in fact for several months, the price was moving inside this very big falling wedge pattern. You can see that we got rejection here, and then we had a bounce here. Then we had another rejection here, bounce here, another bounce here, rejection. And finally, the price has broken out the resistance of this wedge. And now recently, the price is rejected by this long-term resistance of $1.30. If we take a look at the daily time frame chart, then you can see that it is still moving very close to this resistance, but for the past 1 and 2 days here, for 2 days, it had been struggling to break it out, but could not break out so far. If we take a look at the previous history of this resistance of $1.30, then you can see that previously it had been breaking as a resistance here, resistance here, resistance here. And before that, it had been breaking as a support here for a few weeks. Therefore, again, it is working as a strong resistance for the price line of Aavegotchi. And after the breakout, after breaking out this resistance of $1.30, the next long-term resistance will be here at $1.90. That had been previously working as a resistance here for 1 or 2 weeks. And before that, almost as a resistance here as well, and for a few weeks it had been working as a support here. And the technical target for the breakout from this falling wedge pattern is slightly higher than the target for the previous breakout, because the previous target for this previous breakout was here at the top of the wedge, approximately at $3.40. And now the target for the breakout from this recent falling wedge pattern is here at the top of the wedge, that is somewhere between $3.90 to $4. So this was the update so far. I hope that you like the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.